Okay, so once you get your email from Canvas, it will let you know that you have to finish your registration process. So all you do is go to your email box. You should see the email. This is what it will look like. Confirm registration. Click on finish the registration process. It will take you to the Canvas page, and you log in using your email address and your password that you would have created previously. If you want, you could stay signed in. If you forget your login credentials, you could click login, forget password, and it'll send you an email asking you to reset your password. And here we have you are in Canvas. So I'm going to stop the recording now because I am trying to make these recordings very bite-sized. So I'm going to take you through the Canvas interface in another recording.